Hello to everyone, welcome back to Make. My name is Gabby and in today's video let's make together this character. To start making this doll, you will need the template which is in the description box. Just click on the link. In addition, you will find the material needed there. So let's begin with the process. Let's start with the eyes. To do this, we are going to choose our template and mark a point at the top of one eye. And now the other one. They will be a reference mark to make the pupil. Right now we will work on the pupil. For this, we are going to sew a little X to cover the point. Like this. Then let's transform it into a square and cover it all. So they will be the pupils. Right now we are going to make the sclera. For this, 5 curved lines are needed. Let's begin from this point. We are going to stretch the thread, forming a curve. Then we must fix the thread to the fabric. We're gonna sew 2 points to prevent the thread from moving. And we're going to repeat this process with 4 curved lines more. So there the eyes almost finished. Due to the fact that our character has an exhausted appearance, we will add 6 or 7 red lines on the eyes. In this way, we will have a tiered effect. We will emphasize on the tiered appearance, and we are going to add a black line to the lower eyelids. So we need to fix the thread to the fabric. And the eyes will be already finished. For the mouth, just we'll sew a line and that's all. In this part, we have to sew or stick these little pieces to the suit, like this. Let's begin with the hands. The other one. Then with the neck. And here we are the pieces for the body. Now we will sew all the edge. Then some polyester fiber must be added little by little.
Told you to walk away. That was my first and last mistake. I'm blue without your face.
And this is the body. Right now we are going to stick the hair to the head. Here we are going to stick the face to the body. And then let's stick the other headpiece. Now it's ready to be filled and sewed. We are just going to sew the visible part of the face. Once we finish with the head, we can start sewing the hair pieces from this point. Later on, we must fill it. In this part, we are going to sew the sole and the other boot part. We place the needle in the middle point. The seam has to be visible so as to have a better finish. Only sew the soles part. Then we have to stick the boot to the body. Sew it. And fill it with some polyester fiber. Then we finish the seam. Now let's add the belt. To do this, we have to sew the belt. And stick 4 little squares to it. Finally, we leave the heart to put on the scarf. And this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this doll, please let me know in the comments, thumbs up and share it. Don't forget to subscribe, just hit the red button below, that will be a great support. Please make sure of turning on notifications so you don't lose any of these videos. You can also follow this content here and here. Thank you very much, see you in the next video, bye!